I've got a little bit of a question for all of the new amateur radio operators out there, those that have just recently passed their license or you're thinking about passing your license. Do you suffer from this problem? Your radio's turned off. That's the first thing. Do you suffer from that? What about if your radio's turned on? Do you listen all the time? Or do you have a bit of hesitation? Do you have some hesitation to press the PTT button because you're not quite sure of what to say? You might sound silly because you're not quite sure of what all the jargon means. You hear other people talking and you don't understand what it all means as well. You don't know how to join in. You may have passed the exam. That was the first thing that you did. You've passed that with flying colours, but now comes the time to actually press the PTT and make contacts, and you're stuck because you're not quite sure what to say. Now, believe me, I get it. I was like that once. I got on the radio for the very first time. I didn't know what to say. I didn't understand. I had a mental blank. I knew what I went through in the exam told me about, the proper procedure, about using call signs, but all of that went out the window and I felt nervous. I didn't know what to say, and I actually thought that I wouldn't be able to get through it. That's why I created a course which helps you as a beginner to be able to get over mic fright, to start making your first ham radio contacts on the air. It's called Make Your First Ham Radio Contact Without Mic Fear. Now, this is part of the larger course that I also have called Ham Radio in 30 Days, Zero to Hero, but this is a more focused part of the course, those specifically who suffer from mic fright, because I know that that is a big problem for beginners. So in this course, what can you expect? Well, you can expect your first step-by-step contact, learn exactly how ham radio contact flows, what to say from start to finish. You can also expect to know how to operate on repeaters, operating habits, the etiquette, the timing, on-air behavior, so that it helps you to be able to make your contacts with confidence. It'll demystify some of the jargon and also the ham speak as well, so that you can decode all of the abbreviations and the phrases that you hear day to day. Plus you will get a bonus ham speak cheat sheet guide that you can print out and have next to you to also help you as well. And you also get a QSO flow cheat sheet as well, so that if you do get stuck and you're not quite sure what to say, you can follow through the QSO flow, see exactly where you are, and then you will know exactly what to say next. So if you're interested in making your next ham radio contacts without fear, with more confidence on the air, check out the link below in the description. Now, if you had $500 to spend on your first ham radio, what would you actually buy? Well, in this video over here, I break down the best ham radio options for around $500 across handhelds, mobiles, and HF radios.